Hi there, you're here with Australian universities. Today, we are going to review Griffith University. Find out why Griffith has become popular with students looking to study in Brisbane or on the Gold Coast. Griffith ranks among the top 20 universities in Australia. It currently sits at number 16 nationally and number 267 globally. The multi-city uni doesn't directly compete with older, research-focused universities like the University of Queensland, but it has strengths of its own. Griffith was established in 1971. The first campus was set in bushland acreage in Nathan, a suburb of Brisbane. Today, it is Queensland's third largest university, with around 45,500 students. Approximately 9,300 of these students are international, making up 20% of the student body. Students can study either in Brisbane or on the Gold Coast. Griffith University has 5 campuses spread across southeast Queensland. Let's take a look from above. Logan is south of Brisbane, a small campus focused on health and education. South Bank is in Brisbane's cultural precinct, home to music, film, and performing arts. Mount Gravatt is on an elevated ridge overlooking the city. Nathan is 10 kilometres from the city centre, the original campus. The main Gold Coast campus is 70 kilometres south of Brisbane. The Nathan campus provides a relaxed bushland setting just 10 kilometres from Brisbane CBD. It offers a quieter atmosphere and is ideal for students who prefer a more personal community feel. An interesting feature of Nathan is that it's directly across from the Mount Gravatt campus, separated only by the Pacific motorway. If you're keen on regular visits to the beach, the Gold Coast campus is ideal. It is Griffith's largest campus, home to over 18,000 students. Famous beaches like Surfers Paradise and Broad Beach are just minutes away. In contrast, Brisbane campuses require about an hour's drive to reach beaches at either the Gold Coast or Sunshine Coast. Griffith has a high acceptance rate of around 74%. The minimum ATAR for most degrees is 63, making it an accessible option for most students. As a young and fast-growing university, many of Griffith's facilities are new and cutting edge. This includes state-of-the-art buildings for health sciences, engineering, and technology, particularly at the Gold Coast campus. Before enrolling, you want to consider the accommodation situation, especially on the Gold Coast. The area has experienced rising rental prices and increased competition for housing. To avoid issues, explore on-campus housing or secure accommodation early. Part-time employment opportunities around Griffith's campuses can also be limited and competitive. The university offers career support services for all students. Get assistance with internships, employment skills, and career guidance to help make a strong start on your career. Griffith actively promotes values such as social justice, equity, and environmental sustainability. These progressive values shape its campus culture. Student satisfaction at Griffith is high, at around 81%, comfortably above national averages. Griffith is particularly recognised for excellent teaching standards and strong student support. Programs like nursing, midwifery, and tourism rank among Australia's best for student ratings. Griffith University offers students attractive campus choices and modern facilities, along with a progressive community in a subtropical climate. For more info on Griffith and other unis in Queensland, visit Australian universities.